So hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Joyville near Satragachi railway station, and you can see this is the actual site of our project. So this is the sports podium and we are standing on the second floor level. Under this you will be having your multi-purpose multi-level car parking, and this side you can see these are the vacant lands, and in this vacant land we will be launching our new towers called Western Heights. So these are the land for Western Heights, so you can clearly see that. And this side you will be having a look on our existing towers. So these are our existing towers, completely ready to move in condition right now, and we are also giving handovers to this. And now come this side. These are the changing rooms, toilets, and we are on the podium level. Cricket pitch will be there, tennis court will be there, and the volleyball court will be there. So now come this side. So see, this is the vacant land for Western Heights. And now come this side. So this is our sales office at Joyville, and this is the open amphitheater level. So you can see that this is the open amphitheater, and just behind that this is our sales and marketing office at Joyville. And this side, this is the central garden area. So let me show you with close proximity. So these are other towers, you can see this. So these are the ready to move in towers, and you can see clearly our central garden area with beautification. And this is the clubhouse, right now ready to move in condition. So if anyone books any flat in any of the towers, whether it is under construction or ready to move, we are giving exclusive rights for this clubhouse usage. This is a G+4 clubhouse with having every facilities and amenities. G+1 clubhouse with double floor height. And these are some under construction towers. Construction is going on, you can see that. Okay, so I can show you these towers. These are the ready to move in condition towers, and just parallelly in front of you, you can have a look of under construction towers location. So these are the under construction towers location for Western Heights. So thank you everybody, thanks for watching. If you are interested for this project, then please call us as early as possible. Our official number have been given below, and for great offers and discounts, please call early. So thanks a lot, have a great day. Please share and subscribe for further updates.